different than we're used to, but a good customer of ours approached us and asked us if we'd represent this Polaris Slingshot for him. We said, hey, why not? It's got wheels, a motor, and a blast to drive. That's what we're about around here. So we said, sure, bring it in. We'll consign it. 2019 Polaris Slingshot. Now this is a Grand Touring model. So a few options on this, plus some ads that we're going to talk about as we go around. One thing is upgraded headlights on it, FYI. But the Grand Touring, you had the larger windscreen. And this top here, which you call the Sling Shade, I guess, from Polaris. And I'm going to show you how that works, makes it a little easier to get in and out of. Plus, it's going to provide you some shade in the summer. You're out and about having some fun with this. Underneath the hood, 2.4 liter Ecotec GM engine, which actually puts out 173 horse, which in a lot of the vehicles around here doesn't seem like a lot, but you take the weight ratio to horsepower on this one. 173 horse is plenty, especially on a nimble vehicle like this. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay and check out the interior, look at this thing from every angle, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This paint on it's got to be incredible out in the sun, as you can see. It's like a black metallic with kind of the white pearl highlights throughout it. Great looking combination. And then that carries through to the interior too, which I understand these Grand Tourings also have a more luxurious seat, I guess, if you will. 5-speed manual transmission, touchscreen radio, which has navigation, of course, Bluetooth capabilities, all of that. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may also be eligible for an extended service contract, something to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And of course, there's financing available. Of course, rear-wheel drive. We'll start this up here at the end and check out the engine bay, let you hear it run and everything too. Miles on it, what was it? A little over 1,700, I believe it was. We're going to take a look at that, 1,400, 1,700. We'll take a peek at that odometer when I start it up. All right, now for some of those ads we talked about a little bit earlier. I mentioned the upgraded headlights. You also have the floor mats in there. We have these side nets, as you can see there on both sides, and does have a different shift knob in it. So those are all additional items that were placed on this since it was sold new. It does have power rack and pinion steering, FYI. Tell you what I'm going to do. It's a little tough to get in and out of this, just as far as when I'm holding this gimbal with the video and everything. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to get it started up. We'll check out the exact miles. I'm going to get the hood flipped up so you can check out the engine bay. It's just going to be a little easier to do it without the gimbal. So give me a second. I'm going to get everything running, hood open. Let's check this thing out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so first off, open up these kind of gull-wing type roof doors on the sling shade. So obviously that would ease the entry of it as far as if you're a little taller. Make it easier to step into it. So there's a good idea how those work. And they have kind of a magnet that comes down and holds them here, and then there's also the locking switch, so they stay secure. And here we go with the hood open. There's that Ecotec, and again 2.4 liter, 173 horsepower, did I say? Ecotec. So plenty to move this around, and you can see how clean it is. Obviously with the age of this and miles on it. And here are the exact miles, a little over 1,400, so 1,425. Then I wanted to show you that stereo, obviously working, and with the navigation and everything there. Push button start right here, and of course, mentioned earlier, 5-speed manual transmission. So there you go. You're looking for some summer fun. 2019 Polaris Slingshot Grand Touring Edition. little over 1,400 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.